have you ever started crying? Not because something terrible happened, but because someone asked you a simple question, or because you couldn't find a clean bottle, or because your pumping session didn't go the way you hoped, and suddenly, the tears just wouldn't stop. It can feel confusing. You tell yourself, why am I crying over something so small? But maybe it isn't about that one moment at all. Maybe it's the weeks of interrupted sleep, the constant responsibility, the pressure to keep going, the worry that never seems to take a break. When your body is tired, your heart becomes tired too. And even the smallest things can feel much heavier than they normally would. If this has happened to you, please don't mistake your tears for weakness. Sometimes tears are simply your mind's way of saying, I've been carrying too much for too long. You don't have to pretend you're okay every minute of every day. You don't have to smile through every difficult moment. You're allowed to feel overwhelmed. You're allowed to need rest. You're allowed to ask for help. Because caring for your little one doesn't mean forgetting about yourself. The stronger you care for your own heart, the more love you'll have to give tomorrow. So if today ends with tears, please remember this. You're not falling apart. You're simply carrying more than most people can see. And even on your hardest days, you are still an amazing mom. Thank you to all the mothers who listen to my story. I wish you all good health. See you in the next videos. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with more mothers. Bye-bye.